Hi, in this seminar I will show you how I built a RAG application using Python, blockchain, RoboDB, and REST API in VS Code. So the structure of the project is simple. Inside the main project folder called RAG Museum, I have a few key files and folders. Here is the data collection that were provided in the beginning. We have folder objects with our JSON files. Then the file RAG chain, where the call object of the RAG pipelines lives. It loads documents from the data folder, generates embeddings using centered transformers, stores them in RoboDB, and uses an Llama language model like Mistral to generate answers. The file API sets up a fast API server. It includes a post endpoint to receive user question and the web frontend using an HTML template. This file connects to the RAG chain and returns the generated answer. Here I have also index.html file for the web interface. That's index.html. It gives users a simple form to ask questions. So to start, I indexed the document by running blockchain file, and which prepares the vector store. Then I launched the web server using UVCon. Once the server is running, I can open the browser and go to local address to use and see documentation in Swagger. Let's run the server, and here we can see our REST API, our Swagger UI with post. So we can check it right here, or we can go to our web interface and ask questions. Let's show, for example, let's search this one. I used Redis, and this is the cached answers. That's why I can get it so quickly. So here we have answer that was generated by a Llama model, and then we also have here sources where the data was founded. Let's search for another question, for example. So here another and for example we can easily search for something else, and that's why it takes time, because this is the question I never asked the model, so it takes time to get an answer. As you see, it takes time, as the Llama is not that quick as I believe OpenAI. But anyway, we got an answer. So thanks for watching.